Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss what is works contract and how to make agreement for it. Work contract means a contract for building, construction, fabrication, completion, erection, installation, fitting out, improvement, modifications, repair, maintenance, renovation, alteration or commissioning of any movable property where transfer of property in goods, whether as good or in some other form, is involved in the execution of the such contract. Agreement of work contract. This agreement of work contract is executed amongst the following person: contractee or contractor. The contractor agrees to perform the following services at the following place of work, and in consideration of the services to be performed by the contractor. The contractee agrees to pay the contractor at the following rates: type of works, consideration, place of work. From now on this agreement of works contract is referred to as an agreement, and the contractee and the contractor are jointly referred to as the person. In the expression of the terms in the agreement, the person shall means and include their legal heirs, successors, executors, administrators, assigned representative, etc. Person agrees as the work is to be performed in accordance with the contracting plans and specification, and the type of work prescribed in the part of this agreement. The work to be performed shall be commenced and completely by the following dates: date of commencement of work, date of completion of work. For the safety and protection of the person engaged in the work shall be performed between the hours of 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. From the administration and management of the work, water, electricity, utility, transportation, machinery, labor, spares and consumables and other facilities will be arranged either by the contractee or by the contractor as mutual agreement agreed amongst them. The contractee or representative of the contractee shall be entitled to inspect the progress of the work and material used for it, and shall be entitled to point out to the contractor any defects in the work. If the contractor shall be satisfied with the objection right, the contractor shall remove such defective material from the work.